15 strategies to accelerate your progress in life. 1. Set one clear goal. Focus all your energy on one specific goal. The more singular your focus, the more powerful your results will be. 2. Stick to a reliable source. Choose one trusted source of knowledge and stick with it. Consistency is key. Avoid chasing after every new idea. 3. Double your effort for greater results. By doubling your daily effort, you can exponentially increase your overall outcomes over time. 4. Plan your day in advance. Start winning before the day even begins by setting a solid morning routine and planning your goals in advance. 5. Surround yourself with high achievers. Spend time with people who are faster and more successful than you to motivate yourself to perform at their level. 6. Learn from experts. Invest in learning from those who have already succeeded. Their guidance can help you reach your goals faster. 7. Focus on your own path. Stop comparing yourself to others and focus on your own progress. Looking sideways only slows you down. 8. Push through to completion. Don't stop when you're 60% done. Real growth happens when you complete your tasks fully. 9. Minimize distractions. Step away from social media and other distractions that consume your time and energy. 10. Pay for expert advice. Instead of figuring it out on your own, pay experts to show you how to achieve your goals faster. 11. Be patient with success. Let go of expectations for instant success. Real progress takes time, so embrace the process. 12. Continuously improve your systems. Build effective systems for your life and work, and continually optimize them for maximum efficiency. 13. Delegate to others. It's better to delegate tasks that take twice as long, but get done than trying to do everything yourself. 14. Surround yourself with fast movers. Align yourself with people who move quickly and efficiently. Their pace will help you accelerate yours. 15. Go with the flow. Instead of resisting challenges, learn to adapt and ride the waves of opportunity. Success comes from embracing change. These strategies are designed to help you fast-track your growth and achieve your goals more efficiently. Start your journey now. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to iCloud Dream to dream with purpose.